student of Cbse of class 7, I will teach you today the chapter named Probability. What is probability? Probability is the term which means maybe or might be. That is no confirmation. That means there may be a chance. Suppose you will say most probably it will rain today. Means there is a chance to rain today. So there is a formula to find out probability, that is number of total trial, number of that thing which we have to find. In first question, a coin is tossed 300 times and we get head for 136 times. So total number of times coin is tossed is 300. The number of total trial is equal to 300, out of which we get head for 136 times and we get tail for 164 times. So probability of getting head is equal to number of times we get head, that is 136, and number of total time we tossed is equal to 300. Cancel it. I cancel it with 4, that is 34, and this will be 75. So answer will be 34 by 75. Similarly, probability, which is denoted by P, of getting tail is equal to 164 by 300. Why it is 164? Because we get tail for 164 times. Now again we cancel it by 4, so we get 41 by 75. I get answer. Now question number 2, it is asked that two coins are tossed simultaneously. There are two coins which tossed at the same time and for 200 times. So total number of trial is equal to 200, out of which two heads equal 58 times, one head is equal to 83 times, and no head or zero head for 59 times. What do you mean by this? This means two coins when tossed at the same time, we may get one head, one tail, one tail, one head, both head or both tail. For two head, that means both may be head. One head means it may be 8 or S, this may be happen, and zero head means this may be happen. So probability of getting two heads is equal to number of times we get 2 head 58 times, and total number of trial is 200. Now simplify this by 2, we find 29 by 100. Probability of getting 1 head is equal to, we get 83 times out of 200. These are prime to each other, so no cancellation will be happen. Now probability of getting 0 head, which is 59 out of 200. This is also prime to each other number, so no simplify will be happen in this case. So we get answer number 2. So student, question number 3, there is a table given in which it asks a dice is thrown 100 times and outcome are noted as given below. So we may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Here outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get 1 for 21 times. We get 2 for 14 times. We get 3 for 18 times. We get 4 for 15 times. We get 5 for 23 times. We get 6 for 9 times. Now these are outcomes. How many times we get 3? The first question. Total outcomes or total trial is equal to 100, as I throw 100 times the dice. Now we get 3 probability of getting 3 is equal to, how many times you get 3? 18 times out of 100. Simplify, 9 2s are 18, 50 2s are 100, so 9 by 50. Second question, it asks probability of getting 6. How many times we get 6? 9 times out of 100, as total trial is 100. How many times we get 4? We get 4 for 15 times, so probability of getting 4 is equal to 15 by 100, and we have to simplify it. So 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 100, so 3 by 20. Probability of getting 1. Question number 4. Probability of getting 1 is equal to, how many times we get 1? 21 times out of 100. We can't simplify it, as these two are prime to each other. So we get answer of question number 3. Question number 4. It says, in a survey of 100 ladies, it was found that 36 like coffee and while 64 dislike it. Total trial is equal to 100, as there is 100 ladies, and out of them 36 like coffees. So like coffee (36) and dislike coffee 64. Out of these ladies, one is chosen at random what is the probability that the chosen lady likes coffee? So probability of getting likes coffee is equal to 36 out of 100 like coffees. So this is probability, and now we have to simplify it. 4 9s are 36, 4 25s are 100, so 9 by 25. And probability of getting dislike coffee we get 64 out of total number of trial 100. We have to simplify this. 16 4s are 64, 25 4s are 100. Now these are prime to each other, so this will be the answer, final answer. We get the answer of question number 4, and the chapter is completed. Students, if you like my class, don't forget to subscribe my channel Vidyangan e-learning for more updates on your textbook, and do share with your friends so everyone can get e-learning for free. Thank you. We'll see you next class.